Bolón de Verde, crispy on the outside, soft and savory in the inside. Mashed green plantains, stuffed, rolled, and fried to golden perfection. One of the Ecuador's most beloved breakfast staple. But this dish, it carries centuries of history. Let's go back where it began. The story of Bolón de Verde begins on the shores of Ecuador, along the Pacific coast, where cultures collided, blended, and endured. In the 1500s and 1600s, Spanish colonists arrived on Ecuador's coast, bringing enslaved Africans through the transatlantic slave trade. Many were forced to work on the plantation and in ports, while others escaped inland and built a free, self-sustaining communities, especially in Esmeraldas. These Afro-Ecuadorian communities, descendants of those who endured, carried with them deep knowledge of food, farming, and survival. They adapted to Ecuadorian coastal terrain using what the land offered. Green plantains, introduced to the Americas through African trade routes, became a central to Afro-Ecuadorian cooking. Sautéed in butter or boiled until tender, then mashed by hand, blended with crispy pork and cheese, shaped into balls, and fried. That's how Bolón de Verde was born. Simple, hearty, and full of history. In the next video, I'll show you how to make Bolón de Verde coastal Ecuadorian style.